Hello, today we will guide you through how to find out who is the Slack administrator. To begin, open Slack on your computer or in a web browser and make sure you're looking at your Workspace's home view. This is the main screen where you see your channels and direct messages on the left and your active conversation in the center. We'll use Slack's built-in tools, so there's nothing extra to install. Next, click into the search bar at the top of Slack. It usually sits in the upper area of the app and may show placeholder text like Search Slack. The search bar does more than find messages. It can also take you to helpful pages inside Slack, including the member directory. Type the word directories into the search bar. As you type, Slack will suggest results that match tools, pages, and features within your workspace. We're doing this because the directory brings together all members and their roles, which is the clearest way to identify who manages the workspace. From the results, select the item labeled Directories to open your Workspace directory. This page lists people in your organization and typically includes role information, which will filter to show owners. Owners in Slack are the top-level role responsible for Workspace administration, including billing and critical settings. Once the directory is open, look for the Filters option near the top of the page. Click Filters to open the filtering panel. Filters let you narrow the list so you don't have to scroll through every member. In the filters, find the section for account type or role, then choose Owners. Selecting Owners focuses the directory on the people who hold owner-level permissions. Depending on your workspace's setup, you might see multiple owners, and one may be designated as the primary owner. Selecting Owners here ensures you're identifying the highest level administrators. After choosing Owners, apply the filter by clicking the Search or Apply button in the Filter panel. The directory will refresh to show only the owners of your workspace. These results represent the people with the most comprehensive admin privileges. You can view their profiles to confirm details such as their display name and job title, which helps you contact the right person through your usual internal channels. If you don't see the directory or the account type filter, your workspace's configuration or permissions may limit access to these views. In that case, follow your organization's standard internal process for requesting help and reference that you're trying to identify workspace owners. And that's it. You've used Slack's directory and filters to find out who the Slack administrators are in your workspace.